Have you ever noticed the lines at the end of a cartoon figure when they're speeding up? Those lines create a motion blur or smear effect. Today, let's learn how to do just that. This week's project is using Stop Motion Studio to create a motion blur or smear effect. The eye perceives speed through the blurred effect created on the screen. A lot of times we'll see this in line-drawn cartooning with lines drawn behind the cartoon figure. This is an example of a motion blur or a smear. This week, your challenge is to make a 30-second action scene using Stop Motion Studio. Select 3 to 10 frames of the project to be merged together, creating the motion blur effect. The steps for this project: Step 1, film in Stop Motion Studio. 2, select 3 to 10 of the frames in Stop Motion Studio to merge together. Step 3, select the merge option. And finally, export your project and submit it for class viewing. Take a look at a class I taught recently using the merge effect in Stop Motion Studio. First, you're going to take several frames of pictures in Stop Motion Studio of the action you're creating, whether it be a race car driving past, a character walking past, whatever your story is about. Then select the first frame that you want the merge effect to appear in. Scroll through the remaining frames that you want the motion blur effect to continue through. 3 to 10 frames is a good number. Don't go over 10. That's going to be oversaturating your movie project with this effect. Then select the merge option inside of Stop Motion Studio. This will merge those frames that you have highlighted in blue together, causing a blurred effect on the screen. But this blurred effect is good because it makes it look like the person is speeding up and they're going so fast that the eye is perceiving it in a blurred way. When I run through repetitively my example in Stop Motion Studio, you can see that at the beginning there's the blurred effect, and then towards the latter portion it's clear because I only did the merge at the beginning of this stop motion project. Look, here it is. At the beginning, my character looks blurred as if they're speeding up, and then they slow down and walk clearly across the screen. Give this option inside of Stop Motion Studio, the merge option, a try and see how it works for you, creating a motion blur or a smear effect in your movie project. I can't wait to see what you create. Finally, your steps for this project one more time are to film in Stop Motion Studio. 2, select 3 to 10 frames. 3, select the merge option. And finally, export and submit. I can't wait to see what you create.